Alright, this Parris da Lyircal, coming for Far Rock, like a passion from a star that's about to get dropped. Get 1-2 round pause to Parris right now. Yes, I'm coming back in the game with looking for that fair. Truth for dares, Hollywood but not square. Yes, because everything with that jewelry on souvenir. Yes, Kevin trying to get back in the game. Looking for the game now. Feel good like James Brown. They beside me some mold down. Like a pick up put the holes down. Yes, because I'm through the whole town. Turn my life around like a miracle round. Yes, because girls call me a dog. They still ride me like a greyhound. I still shine when it's like gray clouds. Yes, because everything looking for that bit with the sound cloud. Yes, because trying to take me out the picture, pulling me out the shot. I look like Pac-Man, I can chase in the dots with any block. I'm playing the bag like that zip block. Yes, like hip-hop, I got it on lock. Because these bumbleclub rappers, they shake on the clock. Yeah, I get sandals to each of y'all. Don't flip because you flop. They get that punchline because, like George Jemison, they don't got no bars.
Wait, say that part again. The part, rewind it a little bit.
I said, he had died and I feel sorry for Trayvon. Like George Zimmerman, they don't got no bars.
There was another part before that. Say that again. Before.
Huh?
Anyway.
I said, alright. Now, I want to, thank y'all, for my presentation. And, there'll be more to come, more shows. Just send me a Parris da Lyircal, SoundCloud.com. I appreciate y'all for coming me.
That was terrible. You gotta do that again, man.
Huh?
You gotta do that again. That was terrible. Project your voice.
You gotta say it with your chest, Parris.
You gotta be stronger.
Like Remy said.
I'm a reporter,
like Remy said. You want to challenge Remy like that? You want to challenge Jeffrey Atkins, Ja Rule?
Okay, I'm gonna do it again.
I'm about to send this to Josh.